Wow, good afternoon everybody. We are in the middle of a thunderstorm. It is about quarter after 12 noon. It started about 5 minutes ago. I would say it is raining on a 1 to 10 at probably about 8 or 9. This is the heaviest rain that we've gotten here since last January. Wow, so good. Yeah, this is well beyond just to get the ground wet. As you can see here. Wow, so good. Yeah, we haven't seen a rain like this for 5 months. And I mean, this is a downpour. And you can see the water running off the eaves there into our pool. It's like a river. Wow. And of course here it just kind of runs off, runs down. Wow. And you can see it running down there. I just had to remove the rock from there. And of course our water container's there. Yeah, wow, so good. And of course, yeah, 2 of the puppies are here. They followed me over here to get out of the rain here. And of course, you can see some of the chickens there trying to get out of the rain here. Yeah. Wow, so good. So good, so good. It was not calling for rain here today, but it was calling for rain in Cebu. And all at once now, he's starting to let up. Yeah, we got about 10 minutes there of a downpour. And now she's down to probably about a 3 to 4. And you can tell the difference in the runoff here. But still, wow, good rain. I wish it would do this for about an hour or 2. And during the rainy season it does. Let's hope this is not another false alarm like we had last June. We had a bunch of rain and it was kind of a false alarm. Everybody went out and planted rice, and then July, August, and September and October he just dried up, and so many people lost their rice crops on account of it. And I know the locals were saying once June hits, and they were actually talking next week, this coming next week, the rains would start again, but yep, a lot of thunder here. But I can kind of see the sky opening up over here some. But she's still coming down pretty good. And we carried water and watered some of the mango trees, Dora and I, this morning. But any rain this time of year is just such a blessing. And like I said, when we get standing water, yeah, and if it rains enough that it kind of loosens up the ground so the ground can start soaking it up. I know these kind of rains after the dry season, most of it will be a runoff, and I'm kind of curious to see how much of this is going to run off into the pond. Yep. Yeah, we won't argue with this at all. Not a bit. We'll have to check on the puppies to make sure that they all got out of the rain here. But the sky is lightening up, so I expect it will be lightening up here too somewhat. But she's still raining, probably about a 2 or 3 here. And the rooster don't seem to mind it there. But yeah, good time to turn the compost piles, get that wet worked in a little bit, and the moisture. Yep. Wow. Yeah, that's probably the heaviest rain we've had since last January. And an actual thunderstorm, more so than just a few clouds passing over with a few sprinkles. But as you can see, blue sky here. So I'm assuming the sun's going to probably pop out pretty quick. That's what happens during the dry season here. You'll get these storms, but as quick as they come is about as quick as they go. So I'm going to kind of close off the video here and wander out in the yard here, and this will definitely bring the grass back to life. This was a sufficient enough rain to be able to do that. And then also see what I need to do with the compost piles. But the majority of the storm is moving around us here now, heading towards Cebu from the way it looks here. But I'm getting clear blue sky up here. Yeah, how quickly it comes and goes here. It's pretty amazing. And now she quieted down to almost nothing, and about let's see, about between 15 and 20 minutes of rain. So any rain this time of year is a good rain, and this one was a nice downpour for once. So I'm going to let everybody go from back of the camera here so I can take a closer look here and kind of see what we got to do here. And that's so everybody have a good day. Wow, and thanks for all your prayers, because boy, this really helped. It really saved the day here, and hopefully it had added enough water to our pool here, collecting it off the roofs here, that we got enough for Beth to do another load of laundry or two. And of course we use that also for the comfort room. So yeah, everybody have a good day, and I sincerely hope God blesses you as much as He has blessed us.